reality, every light, every secret flowing through that door of Sayyidina Muhammad. And what could be more a gift than Allah sending that rahmah? Those whom don't observe and understand, unfortunate for them that these are gifts from Allah. And those whom Allah describes, when we are guiding you or when you're guided, you are truly guided. And those whom are guided are given a light, and those whom are not guided, they have no light. Means these are many different realities of these secrets. That when Allah wants to guide a servant, the guidance is immense. The guidance is to a door. That door to the Divine